So this is the routine. It's running right now. Okay, here we go. So let me kind of back up to the routine. So this is one of my bots. This does long and short entries. It essentially starting the routine. It has tools that it uses. It has Python code and rules and stuff that it has to follow. It has a strategy. It uses a Gaussian channel strategy. And it also checks a list of trending tokens provided by Signum.money, which is the app that I use to manage the bots. But we're just going to go ahead and watch this go, and then we'll check in on the other routines. You can see it did the same calculations. It identified longs, identified entry amounts, verifies the entries, makes them, so shows one of our exits. Again, reviews the final entries of the longs and the one that was skipped. Shows us a final portfolio breakdown, and it did indeed send the email. So now let's check on the video. So essentially I've taken the information of my positions that Signum, where the bots are, is aware of, and produced a video that shows essentially a slideshow of my positions using 3-month charts, using the Gaussian channel indicator overlay, and for the shorts, showing the average entries and expected take profits. So we are going to put this on auto and let this one run.